Hey guys, Hideaki here with another tasting video. Like the last video, I'm gonna try out some Japanese candy I got from Tokyo Treat. I said that I would do some more videos of this type if that first video I did was gonna be very successful. It's gonna be very successful. Yes, I know how to pronounce words. And that last video got tens of millions of views, and so I decided to make another video. So yeah, let's try out some more Japanese candy. First thing I'm gonna try is this thing. I don't know what this is. I can't see through it. I can't read Japanese, so let's just open it up. Okay. What the hell is this? Sorry, I'm not fluent in English, so I don't know the English word for this. I'm just gonna try it. It's very sweet. Yeah, like I told you, I don't know how to say this in English, but it's very crunchy and sweet. Look, this is how it looks. Yeah, okay. Not much. Let's try another thing. Next thing I'm gonna try is this corn looking things. Lucky cone. I thought it would say lucky corn, but lucky cone. Okay, let's open it up. It looks kind of the same like the last thing I tried. Let's see. Oh, this is not sweet. It's I mean, it is sweet, but other type of sweet. It's in the range of the potato chips area. More like Cheetos, yeah. Cheetos is better. Yeah, I like it. They are good. Yes, I'm enjoying this one. Let me wipe my hand on my clothes. Yeah, I like them. This thing, I have absolutely no idea what this is. It shows me here what to do, but I don't know what this is. I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna open it up. Oh no, I broke it. Oh, smells nice. What is this? Vegetable shop. What the hell is this? It broke. Or was it supposed to break? Oh, it goes like this. Let's see what is this. Nothing else. Smells so nice. Okay, so So I guess I take this, put it here, and I press this on top of this with this inside. This. Okay, I'm gonna try that. What is this? Chewing gum? Ah. Smells nice. Is this Play-Doh? Am I gonna eat Play-Doh? If that's how we pronounce it. Okay, let me put this here. And it goes like this, I guess. Okay. And I'm gonna press it. We put this in the oven for 5 minutes, and no, that's not the way to do it. I just press it. Okay, see what we got. We got a bowl of got a bowl. This is so stupid. Okay, let's see what this is. I'm gonna eat this too. No, this is not chewing gum, this is just something you eat. Yes, very... I know how to explain things. This is something that you eat, children. It's just easier this way. I'm not gonna play around with these things. Yeah. It's very good, I like the taste, but too much of a hassle to make. Put them in those things. Yeah, I'm gonna save these ones for later on. Let's see what else I'm going to annoy you with. And the last thing I'm going to try is Kit Kats. I love Kit Kats. Kit Kats, Kit Kat. Why do I say Kit Kats? I think that this is lemon flavored. I think there are 10 in this. So let's just open it up. Oh, each is wrapped individually. Smells funny in the bag. I don't know why I smell stuff today. What's this? What is this? Have a brick, have a Kit Kat. Yes, I know already. Let's open it up. Yeah, it's Kit Kats. Kit Kat, Kit Kat. What do I say Kit Kats? Yeah, it's exactly Kit Kat. Tastes like Kit Kat. Kit Kat. And yeah, it's a white chocolate lemon flavored. Very good. I like it. I like Kit Kat. Can I eat this one as well? Yeah. So this was pretty much all for this video. I have one more video to do, and yeah, if you want me to try out some other stuff, I'll probably do it, but yeah, no buts. Save the butt for the strip club. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it gets tens of millions of views like the last one. And yeah, stay tuned for more tasting videos. Watch my other videos that you see on the channel. Like, share and comment, subscribe, click the bell that gets that lets you get notifications. And yeah, see you in the next video. Don't know why I'm doing this with my fingers, but yeah, bye bye.